Hi, my name is Claudia Hernandez. I'm class of 2023. I've worked with Chevron for 22 years. I am a mom of two teenagers who are about to go to university themselves, and very active with a lot of their volunteer work. So keeping very busy with both work, kids, and now school. I thought it was going to be really important to understand more of the soft side on the management skills. I really wanted to understand, especially me as a manager, understanding how to be more emotionally in touch with a lot of the people that work with me on my teams. Nowadays, with all the teams that I work with, it's not working individually. It's very collaborative environments, working together as teams, which is something that really caught my attention for this program. Understanding yourself, emotional intelligence, and really becoming that technical leader. So my experience, this was during the time of COVID, so it was a really fun time to get together with a group of people, not just having online classes. So we were able to get together during our summer program, meet, collaborate. We got to know each other very well, which I think is something strong for the team, especially now with each one of the classes in our group projects. It gave us that confidence to be able to collaborate well with each other, even though we're collaborating online. But actually getting to meet the team and the class and getting to know who the people are in person, I think is making that difference for us to work very well together. The most valuable part I can definitely say is understanding myself. I was so used to being a type of leader that gave directives. Taking the emotional intelligence test, we were able to identify areas for me to improve, and especially working with a coach in that area and documenting and writing every week what my reflections were on certain experience. It really brought who I was as a leader up front and how I wanted to change and be more of that, more in touch on the emotional side, not only changing myself but changing my team. And I've seen that change with my team, are shifting from a giving directives, here's how you do the work, to listening and having the team tell me how they're doing their work. The program has had a very positive impact on my career. It has helped me take a look at my teams from a completely different perspective, listening a lot more to the teams. And it's even helped expand to new teams, new opportunities. The program has really helped boost my confidence in the leader that I am. So I'm able to talk to more people, expand to different teams, and bring the teams together. It's no longer just collaboration within a single team. It's collaboration amongst a wider, broader, global type of environment. So that is very challenging, but very doable. That is one of the main questions that I had for a lot of the people going through the program before I decided to go into the program. I wanted to make sure that I did have the time to manage. It is manageable. You do have to set aside your hours to do your schoolwork, but the professors are very willing to work with you if there's anything that comes up. Time management, family, work-life balance is very good with the program. I say go for it. This has been a very good opportunity for me. Not only as a leader, I would also encourage anyone that works with people to go into the METM program. I think it develops all of your soft skills, all of your technical skills, and gives you a preview of what it is not only to manage but to lead a group of people, whether in the industry or in any area of your life. I know that it's helped me also lead different organizations outside of my work environment. I'd like to really thank all of the professors. They're really great. Dr. Zoe for leading this program, and just really great program. I'm glad to be a part of it, and please join the program if you guys have any questions. Anyone from the METM program is friendly and ready to help answer any questions you may have.